Ever wondered how secure your iPhone truly is? Or what happens if it falls into the wrong hands? Today we dive into the ocean of Apple's latest iOS update that promises to enhance the security of your beloved device. First off, the update introduces a feature called Activation Lock. This feature is a real game changer, as it requires your Apple ID and password before anyone can turn off Find My iPhone, erase your device, or reactivate and use it. This means that if your iPhone is stolen, the thief will be unable to use it without your credentials. The activation lock essentially transforms your stolen iPhone into a paperweight until it's safely back in your hands. Secondly, the update enhances the Find My iPhone feature. Now, even if your device is offline, it can send out Bluetooth signals that can be detected by nearby Apple devices. These devices then relay the location of your iPhone back to you, creating a kind of search party for your lost device. This is a significant leap from the previous version, where your iPhone had to be online for you to track it. The third key feature is the Erase iPhone option, which now, in addition to wiping your data, will display your custom message with a phone number. This allows anyone who finds your iPhone to contact you directly, increasing the chances of recovering your lost device. Now let's compare this to the previous security measures. In the past, if your iPhone was stolen and switched off, it was nearly impossible to track. But with these new features, Apple has raised the bar for device security and recovery. As for the reactions to this update, users have lauded it as a significant step forward in device security. Experts, too, have praised it, acknowledging that it could potentially deter device theft due to the increased difficulty in misusing or selling stolen iPhones. In summary, Apple's latest iOS update has introduced the Activation Lock feature, enhanced the Find My iPhone feature, and improved the Erase iPhone option. These changes have made iPhones more secure and harder to misuse if stolen, marking a significant step forward in device security and recovery. So if you haven't already, it might be a good idea to hit that update button.